We are working on the skill changing the Excel environment. We have done customize the quick access toolbar. Now we will look into customize the ribbon skill task. Let's go to Excel. Open a blank workbook. Then go to Backstage and click on Options. The Excel Options dialog box opens, and then click Customize Ribbon. As in Quick Access Toolbar, you have two sections here. These are the commands, and this is the area where your current tabs are displayed. You have different tabs available here: Home, Insert, Page Layout, etc. They are displayed here. By default, you have these main tabs selected. In the Customize the Ribbon area, you can click on this plus sign to expand the tab. In the Home, these are the groups: the clipboard, font, alignment, number. You can also expand this as well. So you have under clipboard you have paste, and since you can see that paste, you have further options available, so you can see them here. If you click plus sign, you have these options available in the drop down. Let's add a new tab. This is the new tab. Let's rename it and call it My New Tab. Click OK. So your new tab, when I click OK, your new tab will be displayed after Home. Displayed between Home and the Insert tabs. By default, the new group is added. Click on this, and we will rename our group as well. When you click rename, this time you have an option to select an icon as well. Click on this hand icon and rename your group. Call it My New Group. Click OK. Now we will add some commands to new group. From the list of commands, click Format Painter. You can add any command from the list. By default, as we saw earlier, by default the popular commands are selected. You can display all commands as well, whichever command you want. So the Format Painter is added in the My New Group. Now select all tabs, select all commands, and from all commands, let's select command called margins for the page margin. We will add this here. Now select File tab, and from the File tab, click this Exit and add this. So we have added three commands: Format Painter, Margins, and Exit, which are by default. These commands are available at different places, but we have added them in a custom My tab and a group. When you are done with adding the commands, click OK, and you can see you have a new command tab, which is My New Tab. If you click, you have a group, My New Group, and the three commands are available here. You can add more groups here, and you can add more tabs as well. With the right mouse button, click anywhere on the ribbon and select Customize Ribbon, and here in the lower right corner, select Reset, and then reset all customizations to remove your newly added options if you want to. Delete all ribbon and quick access toolbar customizations from program. Click Yes, and then click OK. So the new tab and groups have been removed. You can close the file, and if you want to do further exercises, you can keep your Excel application open. Thank you.